Greetings, family and friends. We are here in East Legon Hills. We have a wonderful property we want to show you. We have 2 plots of land for sale. This land is located at a prime location.
East Legon Hills is one of the fastest growing neighborhoods right here in Accra.
It has good roads network. It has proximity to the airport, not less than 30 minutes drive.
As you can see, if you look right there, you have electricity, and I'm pretty much sure that there is Ghana Waterworks within the area. People are already living here, as you can see. So in case you're looking for a land that you want to buy and build and start living immediately, this is definitely a must-have or a must-buy.
And with such area, there is much development of houses. Okay, we have residential houses, we have schools, there are hospitals around, and this plot will serve for business preference or personal use. So if you are interested, please let us know. We'll help you sell this deal and you'll have peace of mind.
Okay, so one good thing about the space is that, as you can see, it's a 2 plot, right? It's about 160 by 70, 2. So with this kind of space, you can have, if you're looking to do a townhouse, right? You can have about 4-bedroom duplex. You can have 4 of them, 4 units, 4-bedroom duplex. You can have them, situated on is it 45 feet by 50 feet, right? On each side, you can have 2 right here. You can have 2 on the other side, and each of those houses in this area, depending on the kind of building, the quality of build and the design and all that, the minimum asking price is about $250,000. Minimum asking price, right? And even if you want to offset it in the market and you don't want to cap it, you don't want to cap a lot of profit, you can sell it for $200,000, and you're still going to make your money back on even buying the land. And if you're looking to do an apartment complex, you can have the apartment situated on one plot and use the other plot to do some, social amenities, or maybe communal pool, a communal playground, and still have ample space for car park. And then you can have a 2 or 3 level, 2 or 3 level apartment complex and house about 50, house close to about 30 or even 45 different apartments, which of course might comprise 1-bed, 2-bed, and 3-bed. Should you be interested to do something like that, but bear in mind the 3-bed is not on high demand, so 1 and 2 is pretty much fine. And if you're selling or you're renting them just within the area, you can rent for a 1-bed or 2-bed, you could rent between $700 to about $1,002 because of the area. And for 2 to 3-bed, you can likely rent to about $1,500 to about $2,000, right? Or maybe CD equivalent. If you're looking to sell, you're ranging between, for 1 to 2-bed, you're ranging between, let's say, if you want a quick sell, you should be ranging between 80 to 120 or 80 to 150 for 1 or 2, right? And for a 3-bed, trust me, you can go beyond 150. And if you have, you can do the math. If you have about 20 or 30 of that apartment and you're selling for that price, you can do the math. Trust me, this is a must-have investment. Just don't forget to contact the numbers you see on your screen. We are very more than willing to do business with you, and this is the genuine land. We have no interest dealing with something that would tarnish our image. It's very important to us, right? So cheers, respecting your call.